Hi everyone, hi my friends, and this is Mock Artist Education, and Mock Artist Education will give you some new thoughts and idea how to develop your thinking power and how to develop your thinking skill. So why we cannot speak easily, this education will give you some new idea and some new thoughts. So today's topic is uh, what did you do yesterday. So this topic, when you can say, then you can speak easily. What did you do yesterday? This is sentence, all our sentence will be past tense. So today's topic is what did you do yesterday. So this role will play my son Pradeep, and I say to you come and say to this.
So hi my friends, welcome back to our channel Mock Artist Education. So my friends, today's topic is what I do yesterday. So today I am going to talk about what I did yesterday. So let's start this thing. It will be very fun. So first I wake up at 5:30 a.m. and then I do all the daily activities and then I ready for school. I take my clothes and I sometimes I wait my car came and I go to school. So after this, when I go to my school, I saw my friends and I say hello, and then I also play some games with my friends, and then I also read sometimes. After sometimes my car came and I went back to my home, and when I came back to my home, I saw that there are our class, Mock Artist Education class are going. So I take off my clothes and I get some normally clothes, and then I came to the class and I help my father to do the class. After sometimes when the class is over, I go and saw some YouTube video, and then I take a bath, and after sometimes I eat our lunch, and then I go to sleep with my father. When I wake up, I saw that there are the evening Mock Artist Education class are going, so I came and joined the class, and I read some many stories, many English, and then when the class is over, we sat in round and then we conversation to this topic what you did in yesterday. So we do all these things. After sometimes I go to my room and I do my daily homework of school, and after sometimes I saw some TV, and when our class is over, totally over, some child came and he said to me that can you play with us. So I play with them. After sometimes I go and take my dinner, and then I go to bed and sleep. So I tell you whole thing what I do yesterday, and you can also do this thing daily what I did yesterday. So I think that if you do this thing, your speaking power also grow up. Thank you. Keep smiling, keep healthy. The all thing depend on you. Thank you. To a great man, nothing is it.